National crime statistics show that more than 4 million homes a year are burglarized. Almost half of these burglaries are committed by thieves breaking in through the front door by destroying the deadbolt lock. So how do you protect your family and your treasured belongings? By installing a better strike plate for your deadbolt. This plate by No Breach. This plate will provide your family with maximum protection against forced entry, because remember, the deadbolt is only as good as its strike plate. Let me show you how this works. So what is the problem with most strike plates? If someone's trying to break into your front door like we saw earlier, this strike plate is in a location where it does not take advantage of the maximum strength of your door frame. Now I have a cutout to show you how this plate works. Plate has a 90-degree angle of 16 gauge steel. This slips right over the 2x4s of your door frame. That lets the plate withstand up to 9,000 pounds of pressure per square inch before it tears. Now compare that to this top of the line strike plate, which was screwed into the door frame using 4-inch screws, and this was only able to withstand 600 pounds of pressure before it blew out. So obviously, you're going to get a lot more protection with this plate. Also, it's easy to install. If you're a home builder or a contractor and you want to buy in quantity, you will get a discount. Now remember, your deadbolt is only as good as the strike plate.